Pakistan Studies for Class Matric. Fill in the blanks with appropriate words. The basis of the ideology of Pakistan is Islam. Islam is the most democratic religion. To keep the things at their appropriate place is called justice. Allama Iqbal stated about the ideology of Pakistan in his presidential address at Allahabad in 1930. Quaid-e-Azam said the Muslims and Hindus are the two separate social systems. The basis of faith is unicity of Allah and prophethood. Fraternity means brotherhood. Character is sum total of habits. The sources of Islamic ideology are Holy Quran, Sunnah, and tradition and culture.